Okay, starting out in the front of the driveway, front of the house here. It's a doorway. We're gonna go meet Beauty, our dog. Let's see if we can zoom in on her location. It's gonna take a while to get used to this lighting. There she is. All happy. There we go, Beauty. There we go. You are on camera. Yeah, you smell some dog biscuits, don't you? You smell some dog biscuits. What? What are you moping around for? You break something? What? Why did you just go back in your cage? Come here, Beauty. Come on. What? 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 You see that? Alright, come on. Okay, front of the rabbit tree. Alright, you ready to do some tricks? What? Are you afraid of the camera? Are you afraid of the camera? Really? What? Okay, let's turn this off. Let's try this again. Dog is scared of the camera, but she can't resist a dog biscuit. Alright, you okay with the camera now? Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Going down to the creek. Come on. Alright, let's try the zoom. Zooming in on the dog. She still seems kind of nervous when I bring the camera out. Come on, just keep going. Just keep going. Da, da, da. Alright, getting the dog used to the camera. Okay, we are coming out into sunlight. Sunlight! Oh! Alright. There's our creek. Zoom in a little bit. Field across on the other side. Some good old hay bales for perspective. And we're back to zooming in on the dog. Okay, doggy. Come on down here. Let's find a nice light spot and do some tricks. Come on. Alright. Come here. Alright, sit. Lay down. Good girl. What? You just ate one a minute ago. Eat it. Go on. Eat it. Go on. Go on, eat it. Okay, I'll put the camera away. So, okay, the dog is afraid of the camera, and that was proof. I turned it off and put it away. She ate the biscuit. Alright, sit. Sit. Okay, now she's afraid again. Sit. I don't know if you can tell, but she's sulking. Alright, sit. Beauty. Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay there. Stay. Alright, come here. Come, Beauty. Good girl. Oh, she's not gonna eat it, but watch this. Right there, Beauty. Beauty. Beauty, right there. See it? Right there. Right there. As soon as I hit the camera, she started eating it. I pull it back out while she's not looking. That is one weird dog. Okay. Let's try another one. Beauty, where you going? Sit. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl. There you go. Good dog. Good girl. I'm not going to do anything too fancy. I don't want to scare her. Try to get her used to the camera. Zooming in. She is on camera. You're gonna run away from me. Let's follow her across the yard. Beauty! Come here, Beauty. Come here. Come on. She's gonna ignore me now. I say 3.5 or whatever it is.
Who's that?
The dog and Dad.
Oh, you're silly. Okay, come on. Come on with me. Come on.
She'll move around and do stuff without any problem. She just is afraid the whole time.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, zooming in, trying this out. Dog seems okay from this angle.
Where's Ben? It's alright. It's alright. Look, he's not gonna hurt you. He wouldn't hurt you, would he? No.
One big chicken.
You say you got some biscuits, or you used them up?
I have one left. Sorry. Bad throw.
Look what I got. Look what I got. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl. Good.
I told you she won't eat it.
You won't eat them?
Not while the camera's out.
Okay.
She won't eat it with the camera out.
Lay down.
I don't get it.
Roll over. Good girl.
There, she ate it.
That's a good girl. Eat it up. It's alright. Okay. Spin. Spin again. No, not that way. Spin around. Spin around. Okay, sit down. You silly.
Wow.
You're a good girl. I can't break it any closer. Come on.
Alright, watch this. I'm going to hide the camera.